NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and already, it has uncovered astonishing mysteries in the universe. 7 trillion miles away in the depths of space, the telescope has detected something extraordinary. Lights that appear eerily similar to city lights on Proxima Centauri b. Could this be the long-sought proof of alien life, or is the universe playing tricks on us once again? The discovery has the potential to alter everything we know about our place in the cosmos. Are we truly alone, or is someone out there watching us? The answers may define a central element of humanity's future, which lies far beyond Earth. With this revelation, we are one step closer to addressing the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Could there be another planet, much like ours, harboring a civilization? To think we are the only ones in the cosmos seems increasingly implausible given the odds. If humanity craves a cosmic purpose, then perhaps it's time to set our sights on a truly worthy goal: the distant glimmers of alien life. Imagine looking into the night sky and seeing a tiny, faint light. But what if that light didn't come from a star or galaxy? What if it originated from a civilization far away, illuminating their world? This is precisely the question raised by one of the most fascinating discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The telescope has detected lights on the dark side of Proxima Centauri b, a rocky exoplanet just 4 light-years away. This isn't just any distant rock in space. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star notorious for intense solar flares that can strip planets of their atmospheres. Yet, Proxima Centauri b resides in the habitable zone, where conditions might support liquid water. The planet is tidally locked, with one side in perpetual daylight and the other in eternal darkness, making the prospect of city-like lights on the dark side both tantalizing and mysterious. These lights weren't spotted casually. Thanks to JWST's advanced infrared capabilities, subtle glimmers from the planet's dark side were detected, revealing a thermal signature unlike anything observed on other rocky planets. Some scientists speculate that these could be artificial lights, possibly evidence of advanced alien technology. However, there's a possibility they are natural phenomena, potentially caused by reflective minerals or unusual atmospheric conditions. Leading the charge in analyzing this groundbreaking discovery is Dr. David Kipping, an astronomer at Columbia University. He described Proxima Centauri b as uniquely complex due to its thermal behavior. According to Kipping, JWST's ability to detect such faint glimmers demonstrates the sophistication of our technology while raising profound questions about their origin. If these lights are indeed artificial, it begs the question: who or what created them? Intriguingly, whispers of even more unusual data have emerged within the scientific community. Some independent researchers claim the lights flicker in a way that suggests a pattern resembling a power grid. While this has yet to be confirmed, the possibility has fueled debates and heightened excitement. Additionally, NASA engineers, known for their cautious approach, are reportedly abuzz about peculiarities in Proxima Centauri b's atmosphere. Fluctuations hinting at industrial activity have been suggested, although all findings remain under review. The mere speculation, however, has sparked both controversy and enthusiasm. Proxima Centauri b's proximity, just 4 light-years away, makes it one of the most accessible targets for further exploration. Future telescopes, such as the extremely large telescope set to begin operations in 2028, could provide more detailed observations. If JWST has already uncovered such compelling evidence, what other secrets might Proxima Centauri b hold? If the lights are indeed artificial, what do they reveal about the beings who created them? Could they be more advanced than us or perhaps surprisingly similar, sending their own telescopes into the cosmos just as we are? Zooming in on the planet itself, Proxima Centauri b could be described as Earth's cosmic twin with a twist. Orbiting its dim red dwarf star, it resides in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, and possibly just right for life. But Proxima Centauri is far from an ideal host. Its massive solar flares could strip atmospheres faster than we can imagine. However, Proxima Centauri b's tight orbit, less than 5 million miles from its star, allows it to complete an orbit in just 11 Earth days. This unique configuration may enable the planet to retain liquid water. Adding to its intrigue is its tidal locking, with one side in constant daylight and the other in eternal darkness. The thin twilight zone between these extremes could be where life might flourish, if it exists. The lights detected by JWST, however, come from the dark side, where perpetual darkness should reign. Could this suggest a civilization thriving in the shadows, harnessing light for survival? Or might there be a natural explanation yet to be discovered? Controversy surrounds Proxima Centauri b's potential to harbor life. Critics argue that the intense radiation from its star makes it inhospitable. Others counter that the planet's magnetic field might shield it from such radiation. Preliminary studies hint at magnetic activity, but nothing is confirmed. Irregularities in the planet's thermal emissions have also been noted, defying expectations for a barren, rocky world. These emissions resemble heat patterns consistent with large-scale energy production, further fueling speculation. At the center of this interstellar drama is the James Webb Space Telescope itself, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky. Stationed nearly 1 million miles from Earth at a gravitational sweet spot called Lagrange Point 2, JWST is designed to detect faint infrared signals from the farthest reaches of the universe. Its gold-coated mirror and sophisticated instruments allow it to analyze light down to its most basic components. When JWST pointed at Proxima Centauri b, it detected flickering lights on the planet's dark side through unique infrared signatures. These signatures don't match known natural phenomena like lava flows or ice reflections. Instead, they exhibit patterns that some scientists argue could be consistent with artificial light sources. Dr. Heidi Hammel, NASA's lead scientist on the JWST project, called the discovery one of the most perplexing datasets they've encountered. While natural explanations haven't been entirely ruled out, the findings challenge our understanding of what might exist on Proxima Centauri b. Adding to the intrigue, rumors suggest that JWST has detected faint chemical signatures in the planet's atmosphere, possibly indicating industrial processes. Substances such as chlorofluorocarbons have been speculated, further intensifying debates. Which are commonly associated with human activity on Earth are said to be among the detected compounds. If true, this would be a monumental discovery, but until the data is verified, it remains a tantalizing possibility, one that has sparked heated debates among astronomers. The drama doesn't end there. Behind the scenes, there's growing tension between NASA and independent researchers who want access to JWST's raw data. Some claim that NASA is withholding information, fueling conspiracy theories about what the agency might know. While there's no evidence to support these allegations, they highlight the intense public interest in the telescope's findings. After all, if JWST has uncovered evidence of alien life, it would be the biggest news in human history. But let's not overlook the telescope's other capabilities. Beyond Proxima Centauri b, JWST has been scanning countless exoplanets, searching for biosignatures, chemical clues that hint at life. Its instruments are so sensitive that they can detect traces of water vapor, methane, and even oxygen from light years away. In one recent observation, JWST identified water vapor in the atmosphere of a planet over 1,000 light-years from Earth, proving its unparalleled ability to analyze distant worlds. And yet, the focus remains on Proxima Centauri b. As more data comes in, scientists are cautiously optimistic. JWST's advanced technology has already shattered our understanding of the universe, revealing galaxies we never knew existed and shedding light on the origins of stars and planets. But its potential to answer the age-old question, are we alone, is what truly sets it apart. New frontiers in the search for life. If you thought the story of Proxima Centauri b couldn't get more dramatic, think again. The search for life beyond Earth is entering a bold new chapter, fueled by discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew. Let's dive into what makes this era of space exploration so groundbreaking. For decades, astronomers focused on finding exoplanets that were Earth-like, rocky worlds orbiting stars similar to our Sun. These planets, they assumed, would have the best chance of supporting life. But recent discoveries have shifted that perspective. Planets orbiting red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri b are now considered prime targets, even though these stars are smaller and cooler than the Sun. Why the shift? Red dwarf stars are the most common type of star in the universe, making up about 70% of all stars. This means that planets orbiting them are statistically more likely to exist. Plus, red dwarfs live for billions, sometimes trillions, of years, giving life plenty of time to develop and evolve. But there's a twist. These stars are also prone to violent flares, which can strip away a planet's atmosphere and make life as we know it nearly impossible. This brings us back to Proxima Centauri b. Despite the harsh environment created by its parent star, the planet's unique characteristics have scientists buzzing with excitement. The thermal patterns detected by JWST suggest that something, possibly an atmosphere, is moderating the extreme temperatures between the planet's day and night sides. And here's where things get even more interesting. Some researchers believe the atmosphere might not just be natural. Allegedly, Certain data points hint at the possibility of artificial structures or processes contributing to the stabilization. Now, before we get carried away, let's be clear, this is not confirmed. Scientists are still debating whether the anomalies are due to advanced technology or simply geological quirks. But the mere possibility has sparked a flurry of activity in the scientific community. Teams around the world are racing to analyze the data, with some even proposing new missions to get a closer look at Proxima Centauri b.